Hello, fiber fans. I'm Maddie Makes, and today I'm coming at you with a old tool that's new to me and thought we'd talk about it and how to use it. This is a Scottish spindle. I use it like a drop spindle. See a little cross at the bottom, and it's simple to use, fits in your pocket. It's a really great travel spindle. I tied some leader yarn around the bottom here. I'm gonna cross it and go up. Now I love me some leader yarn. I don't like trying to do it without, and it's probably just a me thing. Anyway, cross the bottom, loop it around, and back up to the top. The first time I did it, I didn't leave myself enough yarn. The only issue with this is you have to cross the bottom and go all the way back up. So you have to remember to leave that much yarn, single ply, whatever, that much yarn out. And now he's all set to go. I have a little loop tied at the top. I have this beautiful brown and gray south down. And if you, well, I'll attach it. From that video there is when I sheared this little sheep. Okay, this not so little sheep because they were a little fat. But that's okay. The owner took care of that and stopped giving them Snickers bars. I'm joking. She stopped giving them alfalfa. She was. It is good sheep owner. Okay. I got the little tail fed through. Now, this is a really grippy yarn, so it's a good one for spinning, and we are going counterclockwise. Counterclockwise working? Yes. Watch it jump. I love it. It's like magic when the spin jumps into the yarn. I almost want to park and draft. Spin for me, Seymour. This is one that actually does better the more fiber that gets put on it. It doesn't really like spinning, very stable when it's light. I just pulled that really, really thin. Is that gonna work? It's gonna work. No, I haven't spun for a while, so I'm a bit of a novice coming at this right now. Because I've been on my wheels. What happens when you buy beautiful wheels? It's like you don't want to leave them. But for traveling, the wheel takes up as much room as like a human. This can slide in my purse and no one knows it's there. So I'm pulling it out and using it. My husband's like, "What are you doing?" That's okay. I'll walk it up. Remember that we were spinning counterclockwise. That's the part that matters, right? You need to remember which way you were spinning. Now start rolling it to make a cob at the bottom. I go back and forth, up and down. Lock that in. Get that thin spot in here because I don't want that out. Okay. Cross the bottom. I'm holding this high enough. Cross the bottom, wrap around, half hitch the top, counterclockwise. Get this a little thicker. Now, to get consistent yarn on this is practice, practice, practice. And I just want to spin cobwebs, evidently. Boop, boop. Now let me get you back so you can see the full range of it, because I was dropping it really low. I have way too much fiber in this room. There's 5 or 6, 7 behind me. Anyway, counterclockwise. It's been nice. It's been nice. So who's preparing for Tour de Fleece? I have yet to have a chance to do one because my sister always visits during that time of year. And true to form, the last week of the Tour de Fleece, she will be here. I can sit it on the floor. Okay. But hopefully, I can get some spindle spinning in while she's here. This is why I grabbed it out to play with it. That's the first time I did that. Oh, and it didn't break. Ha! So I'm not sure I'll be able to spin as long as the tour is going on. Definitely won't be able to hit their exact times. Hopefully, I can hit their days and most of their hours. Okay. Back up to the top. It's not as fast as on the wheel, but it's not bad. This is a pretty gray. Oops, come on over under. It's getting more consistent as I go, so life is good there. Maybe about that much. Let's try it up. Wait a minute, there's still yarn there. What did I forget to do? Forgot to take the cross off. Haha. Anyway, can you do that? Over under? Okay. Just kind of wrap it in. It has to be organized, but it doesn't have to look the greatest, right? Okay. What's that, about 18 inches? Cross it, roll it up. Yeah, 18 inches works. Counterclockwise. Counterclockwise. I like this fleece. I'll have to comb up some more. This was just a little sample comb up. I wanted to see how it looked. Because it was a new fleece for me. I haven't worked with the south down yet. Because I got a south down once in my life and it was sheared like every 3 months or something really silly. And it was so short, it was just unusable. This one I'm doing here was, gosh, I think it was like 15 months. Get close up. That's probably way too close. Okay. Spin. Draft. Wonder why you made a bloop noise. Close enough, spin it up. Twist it, pull it up. Spin it up. Pretty good arm workout. I hope I showed you a toy you probably haven't seen before, unless you live in Scotland, and you might have. I have not seen that many out in the wild. I saw it in a magazine. I'm gonna have my dad make it because I'm spoiled that way. He's retired. He likes to play with wood. It works. Anywho, let me know if you've seen these before. Let me know if you used them. If you're already this far through the video, you might as well subscribe. Like 90% of my viewers are not subscribed. That's a lot. Thoughts on something? It's pretty strong though. Totally just dropped it. That was me. Lost tension. So definitely a tool to practice with. So grab your spindles, grab your fiber, start preparing for Tour de Fleece. If you choose to participate, I am looking forward to participating. I just really hope I actually have the time to do so, because I've been wanting to participate for years and have been submarined by other Flying Moose plans. So, happy spinning, everybody!